How's the pizza? Good look at that. Oh, yeah. Sniff it one more time.
The texture is...
Do I hear 1 million views?
I don't smell the pizza. I smell the YouTube views. This video is just looking at me.
You really enjoy that pizza? Where's this pizza located? You don't know? Well,
Look at it here.
Where's here?
come on, man. You got to finish this pizza for the views. You taste that? It's called views, Giancarlo. Nice. Look at that. You can see the sauce.
Mining.
Do you have any more?
We're playing a YouTube video. Don't bother us.
I washed off my jeans. There's nothing wrong with it.
There's everything wrong with it, Daniel. Oh, he almost fainted from the taste, right, Giancarlo? Dang.
Carlos in Flavor Town.
Flavortown, right? One-way ticket to Flavortown. Get that out of here. You don't need this. All you need is the Coke. Napkin down. I really don't want it. Get my own Coke.
This is gonna be some good clickbait.
You're almost done, Giancarlo.
Human flesh. Tomato sauce.
He's lying.
It's human flesh.
Dang, look at that sauce dripping. That good sauce.
That's sauce drill. People of YouTube love a good sauce drill.
Come on, man. We go finish up.
You got a cool kid table.
Sure, you're not a cool kid.
We're only using you for views. And Flavor Town.
So how did you think of the pizza? So we got in this video.
My name is Barry Allen. I just eat the world's greatest pizza.
Well, you heard it there. World's greatest pizza. How would you rate this pizza 1 through 10?
Worse than Diarco's pizza. Check that out.
Well, okay. I guess we'll be ending this video here then.